This is Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0, and it might be the closest thing we have right now to real AI filmmaking. Higgsfield is the fastest-growing Gen AI company with one clear mission: to be the most creator-friendly platform in the world. And today, we're looking at their newest upgrade, Cinema Studio 2.0, the next generation of cinematic AI video tools. The gap between AI clips and AI filmmaking just closed, because the original Cinema Studio was already great at generating individual cinematic shots. But version 2.0 takes it to an entirely different level. Now you can cast characters, direct performances, control genre logic, and build multi-shot sequences, all inside one unified workflow. So if you've never used Cinema Studio, think of it like this. Most AI video tools generate motion. Cinema Studio generates cinematography. This is not just make it move. This is choose the lens, choose the camera rig, choose the movement, choose the pacing, and build shots like a real director. But without timelines, keyframes, or complicated editing. Version 2.0 basically upgrades it from shot generator into a storytelling engine. Here's what's new in Cinema Studio 2.0. There are upgrades for both image generation and video generation. And honestly, these updates are exactly what creators needed. 3D scene access grid, exploration genre-based motion logic, multi-shot storytelling character, system speed, ramp control, and I'm going to show you how each one works in a real workflow. So by the end of this video, you'll understand why Cinema Studio 2.0 feels like a different category of tool. So first, image generation. Step 1 in Cinema Studio is generating your hero frame. This is the anchor image that everything is built from. Now, here's what's insane in version 2.0. 3D scene access. You can literally enter your image like it's a 3D environment. And now, you're not stuck with one flat camera angle. You can explore it spatially. Look at this. I can shift the perspective, move the camera, reframe the composition without leaving the scene. This is basically like walking inside your own generated set. It's like your AI image just turned into a playable map. Now, the second upgrade is grid exploration. And creators are going to love this, because instead of generating one image, hoping it's good, then regenerating again, you can preview variations in a grid. This is basically rapid iteration mode. You compare angles, lighting, mood, and you instantly pick the best hero frame. And the coolest part? This grid can literally become a storyboard. So now you're not just generating a random shot, you're building your future sequence. Now let's talk about the real magic: video generation. Cinema Studio 2.0 introduces something that most AI video tools don't have: genre-based motion logic. This is not just a label. It actually changes the pacing, camera energy, and motion behavior. For example, horror moves slower. It holds tension. It gives you those uncomfortable pauses. Action does the opposite: faster movement, more aggressive camera behavior, more intensity. Basically, the AI starts understanding vibes. Now, this is the feature that changes everything: multi-shot storytelling. Cinema Studio 2.0 can generate up to 6 shots per sequence. Each shot can be 1 to 12 seconds at 1080p. Auto mode is when you want connected shots, like establishing shot, close-up, reaction, follow shot, and it tries to build the scene flow for you. Manual mode is when you want full control, shot by shot, and if you're doing storytelling, manual mode is a game changer. This is where AI video stops being clips and starts becoming scenes. Now here's the upgrade that makes it feel like filmmaking: the character system. You can add up to 3 characters into your scene. Then you can decide who appears in which shot. And you can also assign emotions per character: happy, sad, angry, surprised, focused. And the AI actually adjusts performance. You can even write dialogue. And Cinema Studio handles lip sync automatically. So you're not just generating visuals, you're directing actors. Now this is a super underrated feature: speed ramp control. Because normally, speed ramping happens in editing, after you generate the video. But here, you control timing during generation. So if you want a dramatic slow motion moment, you can generate it that way. Or if you want high energy, you can accelerate the motion. And you can compare different speed versions before finalizing. This is basically time control built into the camera. Now let's talk about why Cinema Studio is different from normal AI video tools. Everything happens in one workflow. You start with a prompt, generate the hero frame, then animate it into video, with camera movement, without leaving the workspace. No exporting, no re-uploading, no messy steps. You get cinema-grade camera controls. You can select camera sensors, choose lens glass, set focal length from 8mm to 50mm, and control aperture for real depth of field, so you can go full cinematic bokeh or deep focus across the whole frame. This is the first AI tool that feels like it understands lenses. You can upload a start frame, upload an end frame, and Cinema Studio generates the in-between frames, so you can literally direct the shot. That's insane control. You can choose camera movements like pan, tilt, dolly, orbit, zoom, drone, handheld, static, and it works without keyframes. You just select the motion style. And the biggest thing, Cinema Studio is built to deliver film-like composition, real lighting, real structure, and mood. It's designed to feel cinematic by default. All right, let me show you the full workflow. Step 1. Build your rig and generate your hero frame. First, select your camera sensor. Choose your lens, then set focal length and aperture for depth of field. Now write your prompt with scene, lighting, subject, mood. Generate your options and pick the best hero frame. And if you want to refine composition, enter 3D scene and explore it like a set, or generate a grid and storyboard your whole sequence. Now, step 2, direct the motion. Choose your camera movement, then adjust speed ramp. Now choose your mode, single shot, auto multi-shot, or manual multi-shot. Then choose your genre. And now the character system, add characters, assign emotions, and even dialogue. Then hit generate, and Cinema Studio animates your hero frame, while keeping the entire style consistent. And this is why Cinema Studio 2.0 matters, because creators don't need random clips anymore. Creators need control. They need storyboards. They need consistent characters. They need cinematic pacing. They need repeatable workflows. Cinema Studio 2.0 is basically turning AI video into a real production process. This is not AI video generation. This is AI direction. So if you want to try Cinema Studio 2.0, go check out Higgsfield.ai. This is easily one of the cleanest and most creator-friendly cinematic AI platforms right now. Links will be in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.